Next, let's learn about the third property of magnets, direction. A magnet functions as a compass. A compass is an instrument which always points to the north. Thus, it is used to determine direction. This means that if we string a magnet in the air so that it can move freely, it will always come to rest in the north-south direction like this. Interesting, isn't it? Would you like to make your own compass? All you need is a needle, a piece of cork or thermocol piece, and a glass of water. First, let's magnetize the needle. Magnetizing iron means treating it such that it faces the north-south direction like a magnet. Here, we rub a magnet on a needle 20 to 30 times, facing the pointy side away, so that the needle starts functioning like a magnet. Now let's pick up the needle. Remember that the pointy tip is your north pole, and the thicker end of the needle is the south pole. Once the needle magnet is ready, stick it through a cork piece or thermocol piece if you don't have cork, and float it on water. The needle will point in the north-south direction. Your compass is ready. A compass is especially useful in finding directions outdoors. However, you should be careful to ensure that its magnetism is not lost. To make sure your bar magnets don't lose their magnetism, avoid keeping similar poles together, because similar poles repel each other and thus weaken magnetism. Instead, store your magnets with opposite poles on the same side. Use materials that magnets don't attract, like wood or plastic, to separate the magnets so as to not upset the magnetism. And use soft iron at the ends to neutralize the poles of the magnets. In addition to badly storing magnets, heating, hammering, or dropping a magnet can also make magnets lose their magnetism. Now you know that magnets attract iron. Magnets don't attract nonmetals like sand. Magnets don't attract all metals, for example, aluminium. Magnets with opposite poles attract, while magnets with similar poles repel each other. Magnets, if left free, always face the north-south direction. If a magnet is rubbed on a piece of iron, the iron starts facing the north-south direction like a magnet. Magnets, if not stored properly, heated, hammered or dropped, can lose their magnetism.